In this video, I'm going to talk about the design to prompt feature and how it works. Basically, this is where you can upload any image, right? Or whether by uploading it, adding a URL, or selecting personal design, and basically get the exact prompts for that image so that you can regenerate it and redesign that image with similar likelihood, right? So let me show you. So let's say we have that, let's say this cereal image, right? So we have the cereal bowl with milk flowing in. So let's do that, click generate prompt. And then basically what it's really doing is it's finding out like how to regenerate the image using Artistly again, right? All you have to really do is just see this right here. It generated this a bowl of cereal with blueberries and so on. Let's copy this thing, go back to AI image designer, right? Remember that. And then we can redesign this image again by entering the prompt here, selecting photorealistic here, and then click generate. Okay, so it's gonna start generating the image, and then it's gonna basically do the aspect of actually recreating that entire thing. There we go. Now, there's one caveat to this, okay? So just understand this. Because there is the Transformers model, which is what is powering this technology behind the scenes, right? The prompt, even if you use this exact prompt, the image that will be generated will be different every single time slightly, okay? Just keep this in mind, because you see my image was not exactly the same as that image that I used, right? This is a slightly different image. In that particular case, there was milk, right? In this particular case, there's no milk pouring in, you see? So in that case, if you at any time you wanted to change something, so how you would want to do is, so you see this, right? In a spoon in it, and then put a bracket here, and you can use a trick where you can put something like this, these brackets here. You see what I'm doing here? These brackets. So if you put two brackets or whatever, it shows like this needs to be in the image. Okay, so in other words, how you would do it is, let's say for example, I want milk, right, to show up. So then you would want to use brackets around it like so, and that way it'll ensure that the milk goes showing. Okay, so that's basically the idea. So let me do that again, and then let's redesign this. So then that way it will force the next time around for that milk to show up. Okay, so just a quick caveat. Yes, the prompt is going to be similar to the image, even if it's exactly the same prompt. It's still going to be a slightly different image every single time, because that's how the system works. Where every time you enter something, it's going to generate a different result. So just keep this in mind. If you want to tweak some things a little bit, you can do that. There we go. Our image got generated, and now you see this, right? There's milk showing up here, pouring in. You see, because I put that little prompt there where I put that brackets around it. It's going to show that. So this is the basic idea. Now you can download it and do other cool things. So this is how the feature, which I just showed you, which was the design to prompt feature, works. It starts off with an image, and then you can actually use this feature right here to make it work. Okay, that's the basic idea.